everyone, I'm going to show you how to change the bitrate in OBS Studio. So the first thing you need to do is open up OBS on your computer. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top left corner and click on File. Then click on Settings. Now, once you're on Settings, you need to go to Output. So this is where OBS keeps all of the recording and streaming quality controls. Now, one important thing here, at the very top, you'll see something called Output Mode. By default, this is often set to Simple. You want to change that over to Advanced. So click on Streaming under Output Mode and head over to Encoder Settings. So here, the first option is to use CBR, which stands for Constant Bitrate. So it's under rate control. So this is the most direct method. So when you select CBR, OBS gives you a bitrate box where you can manually type in the exact bitrate value you want, so depending on your device. Or you can also head over to bitrate at the bottom, click on the arrow right here, and adjust the number. So if you use a higher number, OBS will record at better visual quality, but the file size will also become larger. If you use a lower number, the file size stays smaller, but the video may look softer or more compressed. So this option is best if you want complete manual control. And that's basically it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.